So guys, for the first method, you want to head over to search and then type in view network connections. Click on it. Now once you're on this, you want to make sure that your network adapter is enabled. If it's disabled, you want to right click on it and then click on enable. Now for the second method, you want to head over to search and then type in internet options. Click on it. Now once you're on this, you want to click on the connections tab. Now once you're on this, you want to click on LAN settings. And if you have a proxy server enabled, you want to make sure that you have it disabled. So turn this off and then click on OK. Now for the next method, you want to head over to search and type in CMD. Then you want to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. Now once you're on this, we're going to type in netsh space winsock space reset space catalog and click on enter. Now we're going to type in netsh space int space ip space reset.log space hit and click on enter. Now you want to restart your computer and then the problem should be fixed.